What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you that how you can go and connect a Solana wallet to your Trojan bot and how to deposit Solana in it. Now before that, make sure that you have the right Trojan bot on Telegram and avoid the scam bot. For that, I'll also provide a link in description for this bot. You guys can go and check it out from there. Now, I have my Solana on Phantom wallet, which is very common. So we'll go and connect it right here. For that, we can head over to Chrome and we can search for Phantom wallet extension right here on Google Chrome Web Store. And once that, you can go and hit the add to Chrome button right here. I've already added it. And once we have done that, we'll come back to our wallet and we can see our Phantom wallet now popping up right here. Now we have successfully added our wallet, and the next step is depositing some Solana on our Trojan bot. For that, we'll hit the start button, and on the above, as you guys can see, this is the address we've got. So now we can deposit some Solana to this address from our wallet. Now to do that, the process is very simple. From the extensions, now login into your wallet, and once you have done that, you will see your Phantom wallet interface popping up right here. Just go and hit the send button. Select Solana and paste the address. Now write the amount you want to send. After that, hit the next button, and finally now click on send. Now as you guys can see here, our transaction is successful, and once we have done that, we will update our balance right here. To do that, we will simply swipe down, and here in the bottom you can see this refresh option. Just click on this, and now my balance is updated. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.